You see him? Big man not afraid of rat in that. You know I'm not afraid of him, I just not like how they jumpy. That's the basket for nothing a while ago. You know, so this morning when I wake up, I see whole I do is scratch up. I mean, I pre it, you see what I say? I say I sound like a terror man. Go so boom now and sit down and eat a couple of Guinness when I easy back. You see this big ugly dirty rascal jump like you want to go in a basket. I'm a ball up. Go take up my basket, but the things are in a basket, but you know what I'm going to take up the curtain a while ago and it's wet. A piece up it, I've washed out my hand quick. Watch me hand. Yo, come out of this. I try to block off the liquor place them so you don't have nowhere to go but one way. See how you reach a person. One bag of Guinness me I show man. One bag of Guinness me so I see it over another car. Kill me and go kill him. I f***ed him up. Bitch! You're dead. Oh man. You know why this is so funny? Cause me actually have to upload this on YouTube. Bruh. All the screaming that you hear, it wasn't me, okay? It wasn't me! We just done clean up the crime scene, you see? Honestly, it was either me or the rat. Rat, you had to go, man. You're not gonna give me no leptospirosis, kill me, and then I run and see him here. Sorry. Sorry! Yo, it's a good thing I'm not like a gangster personality, you know what I mean? I mean, couldn't be gangster after this. A good thing I'm a comedian, you know what I say? So them type of foolery, yeah? Them type of antics, yeah? It is acceptable! It is acceptable! I think. Oh shit. So I go still, you know what I mean? Sometimes rat them run up on you and you have to just jump up and down by the place, you know what I mean? Cause couple clock after them. So people, when me fling the basket, zine, me I realize the remote for me capture card, the there in a little basket head. So when I fling the basket, downstairs, the little remote end up. One hard drive did in a basket too, you know. One external hard drive, so that probably almost fly out. I can show you the footage when I capture with my phone. People, when I fling the basket, zine, my remote drop from way up at the 3rd floor down here so. Way up the same day, you know. My remote drop down here so. For me capture card. I look if nothing else important. Drop down here so. What kind of drama this stuff about? Yo, look at where I am, man. Me done, Rasta.